In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send video in Yahoo Mail. We'll go from opening Yahoo Mail to sending your message, and I'll explain what to do if your video is larger than the attachment limit, so everything is smooth from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. When the results appear, choose the official Yahoo Mail link to proceed. On the sign-in page, enter your credentials and complete any verification if prompted. Keep your login information secure and avoid signing in on public devices unless you trust the computer. Once you're in the new Yahoo Mail view, click the Compose button, which you'll typically find in the top left corner. This opens a new message window. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. If you're sending to more than one person, separate each address with a comma or press tab after each one. Take a moment to confirm spelling so your message reaches the right inboxes. Next, add a clear subject line that summarizes what you're sending. For example, a quick description of the video. A concise subject helps your recipient recognize the purpose of the email immediately. If your video is under 25 megabytes, click the paperclip icon to attach it directly. Select your file from your computer and wait for the upload to complete before moving on. If the upload seems slow, be patient and let it finish. Larger, high-quality clips can take a little time even if they're under the limit. If your video exceeds 25 megabytes, use your preferred cloud storage service to share it. First, place your video files into a single folder and compress them into a zip file. Compressing keeps everything together and may reduce size slightly, making the upload easier. Upload that compressed file to your cloud storage. After the upload finishes, look for the share icon in your cloud storage. Click it, then choose the option to copy the link. Before you copy, make sure the access setting allows anyone with the link to view or download. This prevents your recipients from running into permission issues while still keeping access limited to people who have the link. Return to your composed Yahoo Mail message and paste the link into the body of the email. You can add a quick note identifying the contents, such as the video title or context, so recipients know what to expect. When everything looks good, click Send. That's it. You've successfully sent a video in Yahoo Mail either as a direct attachment or via a shareable link for larger files.